Welcome back to Lesson Planned Kitchen. I'm Grant, the creator of this YouTube channel, and today we are going to be celebrating our 50 subscriber milestone with a 5-ingredient tiramisu inspired chocolate pudding. Thank you all so much for subscribing and supporting the work I do in my home kitchen here. Each month we have exceeded the previous month's number of views, and almost every video has added to our subscriber count. March alone, we saw nearly 1,200 views, and it looks like April is going to break that with 300 plus views alone on the first video we've published. You're going to enjoy this low-fat, high-protein, and very delicious dessert. Let's go ahead and get started.
Gather these ingredients. If you need to know how to make the hot cocoa mix, check out my video on it. In a large bowl, combine the unsweetened vanilla almond yogurt with the 1 cup hot cocoa mix. To that, add the 8 tablespoons of cocoa whip. Then, combine until the mixture is nice, silky, and moussey. In a separate container, combine the 1 cup textured vegetable protein with the 4 tablespoons of instant coffee. Give it a really good shake to mix it all up. To prepare for presentation, grab some glasses like these stemless wine glasses. You'll want to layer the pudding about 2 tablespoons, topped with the TVP coffee mixture, another 2 tablespoons of the pudding, more TVP coffee mixture, and top that off with the cocoa whip. Refrigerate this overnight so the instant coffee will dissolve. You'll be left with this layered, delicious tiramisu-inspired pudding. And check out these macros. We've got great protein content, low fat and sugar, and barely over 200 calories. If you find the resulting pudding a bit too tangy for your taste, you can always add more cocoa whip or stevia. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like it and share it with your friends. You can check out nutrition information and other recipes on lessonplantkitchen.com.